Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. Thank you guys for stopping by. If you guys are interested in this product, you can find this in my video description. So this is a miniature rechargeable hand warmer and power bank. It says up to 4 hours of heat, 5200 mAh power bank. We are going to actually be using this basically just for the hand warmer. I'm not really interested in the power bank aspect of it. That's pretty cool. So, you press it. I think that shows you the power. Did it come? Okay, so it came with some accessories here. We get a manual, a strap, charging cable. Looks like a little case. Not a case, but a pouch to keep it in. My guess is probably pretty simple. If we press and hold it, it should turn on. Now it's got a red light, blue, green. Okay, I'm sure this means modes. So we're just gonna leave that on a little bit while we check the manual really quick. Alright. At low temperature, the product can be used for hand warmer, foot warmer, and blah blah blah. Okay, so let's see, does it show how? Power on. Flip the switch to activate the unit. Flip the switch. Yeah, it's starting to warm up, but I don't see any switch that you're supposed to flip. I'm guessing it means press the switch. But yeah, it is warming up. Heating. Press and okay, so power on, flip the switch. So we just press the button to turn the power on, but if you want to do it for heat, press and hold for 3 seconds to start heating function. Default mode is high temperature. Okay, so green is low heat. I don't know, can you guys see? Blue is medium. That's green. So green is low, red is full force. Oh wow, that actually does work pretty good. That heats up really nice. Pretty impressive actually for a little thing. Okay, so yeah. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this. Wow, that does work good. You put it in your pocket. Wow. You know, it's not burning hot, but it's warm. So it's enough to keep your hand warm. That's a good device for hunting, if you go out hunting or something. I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. I think we can give this a 10 out of 10. I don't see, well, you know, let's not give it a 10 out of 10 right away. Let's wait and test it out and do an updated video before we do that. So let's give it an 8 out of 10 for now. Style's nice. Everything about it is nice. It feels solid. Yeah, so let's... Wow, that does definitely warm your hands up though. I mean, like I said, it's not burning hot, but it's warm. So it'll work good in a pocket. Okay, yeah, we're going to give this little guy an 8 out of 10 for now. Make sure you see you guys later. Make sure you subscribe so you guys can see an updated video.